Hello everyone, welcome back a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add a downloadable file in WordPress. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard. Very first we have to upload file which we want to make a downloadable. So hover over on media and click on add media file. Click on select file, download, and I have kept my file here, downloadable file, and I want to upload two files, zip and PDF. You can upload image or any other downloadable file. So select this file, zip and PDF, open. Two files are uploaded successfully. Now again I have to go to the media file library. Click on library. This is the file which right now I uploaded. So very first I want to show this zip file. How can we make it downloadable? So click on it. Right side you can see file URL. You have to copy this URL. Just select and copy this URL, or you can just click on it, copy URL to clipboard, then this URL will be copied. So click on it. Then I want to show this file downloadable in a post. So go to the admin dashboard and click on all post. Then I want to edit this post. First visit this post and edit it. I want to add a text here, download file. So edit it and write here download file. Then select this file and click on this link icon and copy the link here. Click on link and edit it. Then I want to open a new tab. So click this open in a new tab and save it. From the right side top, save it again, and finally visit the post. You can see download file shows here. Just click on it. Okay, start download, open folder. You can see this file has been downloaded. Then again I want to downloadable the PDF file, and you can do it same way. Let's check. So again go to the admin dashboard and click on this media library. This is the PDF file, click on it. Then again copy this URL and again edit the post. I want to show it in a button. So click on this plus icon and type here button. This is the button, or you can search here button. Given the text here, PDF file download here. Then again click on this link and paste here. Click on this link and edit. I want to open in the new tab, so check this box and save it. Then save it again and view the post. Yes, you can see the PDF file download shows here. So click on it. Yes, start download. You can see the file has been downloaded. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.